Musese ni mubea nundu wa kwendea kwithiwa na itu thini wa kilungu cha Uiiti na tuyosa uthiumo ndakitali na tuelesya yulua una watelo low sperm count na yulua tubes ya muno kwithiwa ibinganite kana mikiba na tutatambo ibukwa mundume eka kwithiwa mikiba ya mundu muka ilindanite na ate ukwata thakame yake amwe bitu mingi tonyo changia kwithiwa atatonya kwithiwa yitaba
muno ethiwa ena fibroids. Fibroids are very common. Sebo kwa wingi muno. Na ando ingi ni methwa na fibroids. Na wenda fibroid du itaba. No kwitha na fibroids no kitaba. Lakini mundu kumengi wenda fibroid tutana kuitaba. Kwa apart from that your tubes they are okay. Neteka atras kana wenda fibroids. No wenda fibroids with either tutana kuitaba na kwa inganga kaingi matuma matetaba no fibroids. Kwa no sioka za ne wathima kana wenda fibroids. Kwa pedha wetu mitatu blocked tubes, periods every month, kana fibroids. So that's the main ones. Ila ingi they are rare. Na isuni chitamba usisambe. Na tansia then do the fibroids tubes are opening now. The periods every month. You means as a lady you are okay. Now kwa mundume we just look for the sperms. Mbambe osi mundume siebo. Na they are enough. Na they are normal. It means the man is normal. Ko no last matter sisi to mana where the issue is. Ko te dia mundume ne munene normal na mundume ne normal. Kila kingi now this timing. Na kiki ando tibinda muno enda no makaranga sia kukwekala makomwe nondo mundu moka aitaba within 24 hours 24 hours sia betanda itaba ko no kusaidia no mekala imwe lakini ila mona na you cannot conceive nondo moka aitaba within 24 hours nondo the over la mina kuma ikusa within 24 hours na mo fertilize you cannot conceive ko no lazima leo man the timings sia mundu moka na muno over you ma in most cases 14 day 14 day you ma na 15 day is valuable. Who cannot try 16th day of the period now. 16th day of the period you cannot conceive. Now to me, even for those alamatumia, the natural family planning, they use the ovulation day. No, that's when a lady can be able to conceive. Now to me, they are no more. Now you start timing the conceiving, the day to conceive, and that's not normal. But one to make a lie, you really you can really miss. You don't have to just because of conceiving day is very rare, especially make a lie. Lakini mumba mudume ekala Mombasa na mumba ekala lobby. You can stay for 1 month, 1 year. We miss the conceiving day. No do la mundo oka kandla mundo mga woka say the conceiving day ni adala na it na mundo na nete on conceiving day kana fertile day with a they cannot conceive. Then is the happen ya edo mekala basa kana ba mundo mekala musi na mundo mekala ilobi kana Mombasa edo abe pita muno na jokutimi ila tumaza mekwata mara kichambe no mekala imwe no ndo motakala imwe that the conceiving day itself it can create a problem. Now, ko tamila ko invest mundu mokante da ena thina embwa na thina sonde embwa pito cia kuyuka kana na fibroids fibroids ni dedo nenga dawa pendawa at least nowadays to tonda kunenga fibroids kadala that's they are there and of course this is recent before sinaibo lakini now can give you lakini tik for rima kana fibroids kana nje na kudala lakini ikila ni device ya mundu na fibroids the best thing is to operate to remove the fibroids themselves embwa ni so to mata conceive na akangine matati itoka mwa the fibroids it utomia the uterus na mamina kumia they normally conceive na that's quite easy on and again operate wa embwa tubes they were in a blocked ma operate wa ikabingwa na may conceive na ndi no like very important about hormones and the mundu mukate kwa the periods mundu takala matumie family planning pills kana injectable kana implants wisa kwetha ona waumia hormones koso kana sese kala muno na ijo kutimi andola matumie family planning ni kwetha me infertile because of hormonal imbalance na ijo kutimi tumanenga ndawa na ndipo sila tuna manenga within very short time ukazeda ni makonzi ne almost so kana sana ni mambe receive mwai ndakamia mwai kila mwai be auto receive you cannot be able to conceive ko is very important manenga ndawa because they almost so kana sa now That's about a lady. For a man, and while your sperms are not enough, there are low sperm count, which are also spermia, kana oligospermia. Also spermia, the better sperms at all. Oligospermia ni si nini mono. Na the volume si nini mono na ndotima no sio ukomana ni si anetie na morphology kana si iliata. Nondo pesa ngida imosibo na sina siongo ile kana sina siongo kana sina kisida ya kwasa, of course that's morphology ko no so tata mata ndata basi mundume na ida mundume na spermia kana oligospermia no tumone pena ndo munanga kwasa the sperms go up and that's very easy na indi no we say that that's not an issue kila kingi cha mundume muno I think that's about the libido pema mata ngama because he cannot be able to conceive. There are two things. There are libido. Pia ndo mataungama at all. Ko utaungama ata mundume tutono saithia. That's a fact. Na pia la maungama na maibo ametoke mbe wa mataumite mbeo za mundume na pia nge maungama na imbe usilia kuma. So those are many things about this is about libido. Na pia bematedwa na wendi wa mundu muka. This is quite common. Nowadays the bokwa wingi beanga bono za embe. Nundo na sija au mela mena low libido. There are so many nowadays. Na is a real problem in a family. Na jokti mi na matuku maingi au mene mome yasia. Wanakufa kijeshi. When they he cannot do anything. Now by the time he comes, now the worst thing Nila why yes, his lady was complaining. This man of mine don't function, which is normal. We normal don't function. That's normal. Now I talk to him as a doctor. You understand the people. Nela mundoka kwa na daktari takona is not your weakness. Nondo libido kanako kama kwa mundume is the basic of a man. Nela tonga that's not it's a sickness like no ndo mwana mundu wada kabo. Na ningwa ne kuite. Na the treatment is very easy. Now mengi alama mbonete. In fact, now lakini it was a bit expensive, in almost 28,000. Lakini you pay that it's almost 3,000, 2,000. Within 4 days, you're okay. And that's a report I get from men. Now, no monenga. In fact, it's so easy to take nundu nikawa. It's a coffee. You just put, of course, the right ingredients. I mean, that coffee for 2-3 days, you become okay. And it has made a total change of men. Then it was a bit 28,000 is not little money. Like in 4,000, 3,000 within 4 days you become okay. Now muno is only our melame below 40. We about 40 you need to take almost three drugs. Not normally quite good. But I mean it becomes also okay. Now clacking in the same way of men. I'm about 50 kana 60 with that men because you are 60 or you are 50 or you are 70 na your libido is very low. Na demu your libido low I know na ndola mena diabetes na hypertension. Da we don't know sana because the libido is low. Na we say there's a man you will not function. Nondo wa inda wa kana nondo wa owo. Na still our melamena at that age na majunga mana medwana tena we still give them the same drug like in moto manenga itatu nondo better other issues kana was the more cancer. And that's ni makulu ni kulure maingi. In fact, I get a telephone almost every day about men's libido. Now most of the men now, it's only 1 month or 2 months, in fact 2 weeks ago, when I got the correct drug. No be na wengi. And I had it's a bit expensive. And it takes almost 2 weeks to become okay. Like what we have now is quite good. Na natural. It is not from drugs, not Viagra. This one I have to emphasize. Kwa says a maito. Not Viagra. Viagra is dangerous. Yes, mundume nemwe ambano nya Viagra ina gwana dekana tukanywe. So if you take it na ndizo kunenga na ndizo kwa prescribe Viagra because it works like steamer mara moja na ibwa kwa una nenda wanda ule ingine nenga au mene wa mina bitazo mina kuka it never goes. it goes for long time. Now I want to reduce, you just take another dose, and it's natural. It has no effect at all. No react on whatever on the natural mechanism of sperm formation. And I took to me, anything which is natural is good. Something which is artificial is always very dangerous. Now, I'm not talking to fertility, the hormones, the balancing of women hormones. The men's sperm. It's good to use the natural products than to use the ones which are artificial, because artificial are not very good, because they have got a lot of side effects. And the Viagra is dangerous. I don't expect Mwana atumia Viagra at a given time. Now atumia at our own risk. No, it has so many side effects. Fertility na libido, they are almost the same, and it's always good with the way they are. Mundu muka na mundu mane maelewa na ne maelewa what they need to do. Which is outside the fertility. With this as common in men. Ladies, they really have low libido. Like in men, low libido is a big problem, which kwa nini nazakana zipo kwa wingi dini wakamba kuito. Cho kamba ni all over the country. Lakini nundo asaisa maitu mono meda mea kamba. We have found it very common. Na matukwane ya mundume, if you got that problem, just ring and take the drugs and let me know. Now I think that was in Amekwate Metuke. It takes 4 days. Now, paimu amerani nangate not many, maybe that 40. It has failed. Now, which means that that's something which is good. Now, what is very important, then wa kanukeki tunekoteza cha mundu. Now, because there's a problem. Na kila kibindani mundume ateo tukumanesa kana imudara mundume ateo kama is a big problem. Now, it is even worse. Edwa mundu muka kana muka dasya iteno mundume ateo tukuma. That's not very good. Now, with idea is it brings a lot of problem. Now, most men they take it very bitterly. Most men actually are depressed because of that. I've met also men. Lakini kila kesio, once you get the drugs, and especially ala sperm count low, now I take about maybe some days, it becomes up. We check, we find that mundume sperm count is normal. Na hopefully, of course, I'm didn't for a long time, and I expect within 1 or 3 months, we say the ladies can be able to conceive because of that product. But of course, it's a new product. Na tienda na kuna how it works. Like for the libido, it has worked. They have no doubt about that. Na hizo kitu is very important. Alama na this it has worked. Na kila kingi cha mwisa about that ni au melame na prostate enlargement. Kana wese mundume nukuma na mama maikuma nesa.
Actually na sweet topic tutonya kwa bise na mie modela. Nenda kitomini aba nundu masara mo madela. Na kilungu kila kingi yutu yendesa. Prostate level nundu niyo na makulu ningwenda kula uliwa unena niyo na niwalesa muno. Nenda tumini ebu na tuwesile labu chuma chokite. Nenda tuamude kwa mosaisa.
Kwa asaisa maitomo kilungu chomo ndene kana mundu akudhate na kana infertility na low libido ni tinawepo kwa wingi na matukano kila kibo kuna simu kana umbone kana uzane nitakuteleza namba wanukata kukuta simu yakwa ni 0722 801 299 noti Mwanza ile na noti imwe ile kenda na kenda. That's is my Safaricom na Airtel number ni 0734 801-299 noti Mwanza itatu ina na noti imwe ili kenda. Infertility ni kindu kina thina mwingi muno kuwangu nyasimo ngakino amkamina kutavia kana ni kwa device indi ukweka mbe urana kumbona na alame kwenda the product ilaja libido. In fact ndia device and more kilobi ndabi bala we undu kutu mbeza kudhowe na ngutumia uiza kwa kumbona have already solved that problem. Asante
ni mubea nendi omusese ni mubea nundu akwenda na itu thina wa kilungu cha Uiiti muthenyani wa umundi tukoselela abuto atiela jumani chukite nyini to Faith Makezi wa Mutungati Wanesa.